Have you been told that surgery is your only option for fibroids? Have you been left feeling scared, overwhelmed, and worried about your future? Maybe you're struggling with heavy bleeding, pain, bloating, pressure, or you've been told your chances of having children are low. I understand how that feels because I was once where you are. Years ago, I was running a successful business but neglecting my health. I ignored the warning signs. I suffered miscarriages. I was eventually diagnosed with fibroids and told things that left me feeling frightened and hopeless. After surgery, I faced life-threatening complications, but that wasn't the end of my story. I made a decision to learn everything I could about supporting my body's natural healing abilities. Over time, I was able to shrink my fibroids, improve my health, and do something I was told may never happen. I became a mother to three beautiful children. Today, in my 40s, I have more energy, vitality, and appreciation for my body than I did in my 20s. That's why I created the Womb Care Network, not to replace medical care, not to make unrealistic promises, but to give women access to information, support, and tools that help them become active participants in their own healing journey. Our mission is simple: to help women understand their bodies, to reduce unnecessary dependency on surgical intervention where possible, to support the body's natural healing abilities, and to empower women to make informed decisions with confidence. Inside the Womb Care Network, you'll discover a completely different conversation about fibroids and womb health. A conversation about nutrition, lifestyle, cellular health, hormone balance, gut health, inflammation, and the daily habits that can help support your body's ability to heal and thrive. Most importantly, you'll join a community of women who truly understand what you're going through, women who refuse to give up hope, women who are choosing to become the CEO of their own health. If you're ready to stop feeling powerless, if you're ready to understand your body on a deeper level, and if you're ready to explore what may be possible for your health and future, click the button below and join the Womb Care Network today, because your story is still being written and your next chapter could be your strongest one yet.